A Guide to CEOs a la Tirukkural by Sri R.M. Palaniyappan. I would request Sri K. Vasudevan, Chairman of our Chinmaya Mission Golden Jubilee Celebrations Committee, to lead the speaker of the evening to the dais. I would also request Sri M. Murali would honor Mr. Palaniyappan with a garland and shawl and also offer a souvenir.
செஞ்சோர் பெருவாக்கும் பீடும் பெருக்கும் உருவாக்கும் ஆதலால் வானூரும் ஆனை முகத்தானை காதலால் கூப்புவர்தம் கை. ஏதுமிலா எளியவனையும் ஒரு ஆளாக்கி என் மாதா பிதா குரு தெய்வமே, நான் ஓதி உணர்ந்ததை கோதிலாது இங்கு உரைத்திடவே உங்கள் பாத மலர் பணிந்து பரவுகின்றேன், அருள் தருக. My dear friend Mr. Vasudevan, Mr. Murali, enlightened ladies and gentlemen, we had a governor in Rotarian Ghana, Dr. Sierra Pillai. One day I was sitting next to him. He turned around and asked me, "Pineapple, do you know the most difficult 3 things in life?" I said, "No, doctor, please tell me." He said, "Attempting to scale a fence that is leaning towards you, trying to kiss a girl who is leaning away from you, and listening to platitudes paid to you in your own presence." Well, I haven't had any experience in the first 2, and perhaps it's a little too late in the day now. But the third one, I had the experience today, and believe me, it has been pretty difficult. Anyway, Vasu being a good friend, பொய்மையும் வாய்மை இடத்த புரை தீர்ந்த நன்மை பயக்குவனேன். See, even lies, as long as they are meant with good wishes, then they can be equated to truth. This is what Valluvar said. So I'm sure Vasu being a great ardent well-wisher of mine, this is what he would like me to be, perhaps. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if I have the privilege this evening of entering this auspicious hall, of standing on this sanctified dais, of being behind this revered podium, of speaking to an enlightened audience like you, I am fully conscious of the fact it is certainly not due to anything that I have or am capable of. It is totally due to the high brand equity of Tirukkural. அகர முதல எழுத்தெல்லாம் ஆதி பகவன் முதற்றே உலகு. Alphabets of all languages begin with letter R. Likewise, the universe has the primordial supreme being as the source. This is the first of the 1330 couplets in Tirukkural, the magnum opus of Tamil literature. Thiruvalluvar, the author, wanted to gift this world an inspiring scripture or a code of ethics for a perfect life. It consists of 3 parts: righteousness, wealth, and love. The period of Tirukkural is placed anywhere between a little before the good Lord Christ was born or 2 centuries after that. His profession, well, he is said to have been a weaver, but to me, the most significant thing about him is that he was the greatest among Tamil poets in terms of his sweep depth and density of coverage. The acid test for any great piece of work is that it should have withstood the test of time, and Thirukkural has no doubt stood like a rock for almost 2000 years. It is a scripture that has eternal and imperishable ideas applicable to all ages and countries. The commentators speak to us from their experience and express their ancient wisdom ingrained in the scripture every time in a new form, a form relevant to their age and responsive to its needs. And our times are different. Our habits of thought, the mental background to which we relate our experience, are pretty different from those of the classical commentators like Parimal Alahar or Kalingar or anyone or any of those 18 known commentators. A reinstatement of these truths of eternity in the accents of our time is the only way in which a scripture can be of living value to mankind. It is with this reinstatement concept that I stand before you this evening. Almost 30 years ago, I spoke in the Rotary Club of Madras, North, on management concepts in Thirukkural. From the age of a manager, we have now come to the days of CEOs and CFOs. So, I delved deeper into Thirukkural to see if it could be of any use to a modern CEO. The answer is a big yes, and that is the topic for the day. Let us now look at 5 personal traits which are important for a CEO: leadership, strategy planning, decision making, communication, negotiation. While there certainly are many couplets dealing with most of the delicate nuances of each of these traits, I intend citing here only a few samples in each, yes, to save your time. My objective this evening is only to get you interested in Thirukkural by citing a few couplets and correlate them with the job of a CEO. உணர்வது உடையார் முன் சொல்லல் வளர்வதன் பாத்தியுள் நீர் சொரிந்தற்று. Speaking to an enlightened audience and like you is like watering plant in a piece of land that's already fertile. That's why I thought just a few couplets to illustrate each of these traits would do for this evening. Now, leadership, the importance of having a leader. நிலைமக்கள் சால உடைத்தனினும் தலைமக்கள் தானை தலைமக்கள் இல் வழி இல். Even if the team has a number of good members, it is of no use if the team does not have a leader. Now, these are days when people talk of excellence. Excellence, செயற்கரிய செய்வார் பெரியர், சிறியர் செயற்கரிய செய்கலாதார். Great are those who achieve excellence. The rest are those who cannot. Again, these are days when people talk of knowledge management, and knowledge is everywhere. Knowledge. அறிவு அற்றம் காக்கும் கருவி, செருவாக்கும் உள் அழிக்கலாக அரண். Knowledge is the weapon to ward off any destruction. It is a fortress that enemies cannot penetrate. Vision. அறிவுடையார் ஆவது அறிவார், அறிவிலார் ஆக்சரிகில்லாதார். The wise have vision. They can foresee what's going to happen. Others cannot. A leader should have determination. வினைத்திட்பம் என்பது ஒருவன் மனத்திட்பம், மற்றைய எல்லாம் பிற. The successful completion of a job fully depends on one's determination. The rest are not of much use. Another oft-quoted couplet is எண்ணிய எண்ணியாங்கு எய்துவ எண்ணியர் திண்ணியராகப் பெறின். The leader should also be daring. ஆக்கம் அதர்வினாய் செல்லும் அசைவில ஊக்கமுடையான் உளை. Wealth will find the way on its own and reach the place of one who is relentlessly daring. These are again days of change. If there is anything that is certain, change is said to be more certain than anything else. நில்லாதவற்றை நிலையின என்று உணரும் புல்லறிவாண்மை கடை. It is the worst of stupidities to look upon the transient as the permanent. நெருநல் உளனொருவன் இன்றில்லை என்னும் பெருமை உடைத்து இவ்வுலகு. The world has such greatness that one who was there yesterday is not here today. பருவத்தோடு ஒட்ட ஒழுகல் திருவினை தீராமை யார்க்கும் கயிறு. Keeping in tune with the changing time is the rope that binds wealth from moving away. So, the leader has to accept change and, in fact, plan for the change. Agility. See, the leader must have the agility of a cat, people say. That means he should have the grace, the swift action, the nimbleness, and the timing of the cat when it jumps on its prey. எய்தற்கு அரியது ஏய்ந்தக்கால் அந்நிலையே செய்தற்கு அரிய செயல். When the rarest of opportunities come, it is then the moment to achieve the impossible. Crisis management. இடும்பைக்கு இடும்பை படுப்பர், இடும்பைக்கு இடும்பை படாதவர். One who is not cowed down by a crisis will create a crisis for crisis itself and get rid of the crisis. Another quality, emotional stability. இன்பம் விளையான் இடும்பை இயல்பென்பான் துன்பம் உறுதல் இலன். Please note the word இயல்பென்பான். He who does not look for pleasure and knows that difficulties are part of life. It's quite natural. இயல்பு என்பான் is never upset when faced with problems. சிதைவிடத்து ஒல்கார் உறவோர் புதையம்பிற் பட்டுப்பாடு ஊன்றும் களிறு. Men of courage will not lose their heart when they face a disaster, as an elephant fights undaunted even when pierced by arrows in the battlefield. The other important trait, strategy planning. சிறுபடையான் செல்லிடம் சேரின் உருபடையான் ஊக்கம் அழிந்து கெடும். Please note the word செல்லிடம். சிறுபடையான் செல்லிடம் சேரின் உருபடையான் ஊக்கம் அழிந்து கெடும். This is nothing other than niche location which our management gurus tell us. If one with small means locates a niche, even bigger players will lose their morale and disappear. Now, IBM was the king of computers at some point of time. But then it was left to a small company, Apple, to come out with the desktop or PCs as they are now known. Gillette and 7 O'Clock, big names in shaving blades. But then it was left to a small company called Wilkinson to come out with stainless steel blades. Agfa, Kodak, and a few Japanese companies known for their cameras. Again, it was left to a small company called Polaroid to come out with instant photography. Another area, again, now stressed by management gurus, core competency. ஒல்வது அறிந்து அதன் கண் தங்கி. Here again, please note the word தங்கி. செல்வார்க்கு செல்லாதது இல். If you know what suits you best, learn all about it, and stay in that job or in that area. There is nothing that you can't achieve in that area. So we are always told by management gurus that you stay within your core competency. So here, see, 2000 years ago, Valluvar has said, "Adan kan tangi, olvadu arindu, adan kan tangi, selvarku chelladadu il." Benchmarking, another word, a term that is thrown across often. உள்ளுவது எல்லாம் உயர்வுள்ளல், மற்றது தள்ளினும் தள்ளாமை நேர்த்து. Always aim at lofty targets. Even if they are not achieved, do not abandon the effort. Now, Perth, critical path method, postponement strategy, all management nomenclatures. தூங்குக தூங்கிற் சேர்ப்பால தூங்கற்க தூங்காது செய்யும் வினை. You could be slow on such jobs which could be delayed, but don't delay others which are critical. This is exactly what critical path method says. Another strategy, when you have competition, 2-3 of them against you, make your competitor an associate. தன் துணை இன்றால் பகை இரண்டால் தான் ஒருவன் கொள்க அவற்றுள் துணையாக ஒன்று. If you are alone and you do not have any support, you have 2 enemies. Convert one of them as your friend or associate. Timing is another important trait required on the part of the CEO. கொக்கக்க கூம்பும் பருவத்து மற்றதன் குத்தொக்க சீர்த்த விடத்து. Wait like a heron, sleepy heron, for the right time, and also strike the heron like the heron when the opportunity comes your way. People now talk about divesting, acquiring, mergers, and MBA is given only on mergers and acquisitions. So, பிரித்தலும் பேணிக் கொள்ளலும் பிரிந்தார் பொறுத்தலும் வல்லது அமைச்சு. A minister or CEO should be capable of divesting, acquiring, taking over, realliancing, or joint venturing wherever required. Now, globalization is the order of the day, but then you have to proceed pretty cautiously. For several people who have attempted globalization got into a number of cultural conflicts. கடலோடா கால்வல் நெடுந்தேர் கடலோடும் நாவாயும் ஓடா நிலத்து. The giant temple chariot cannot move on sea, nor can the ship that sails on sea can move on land. So even very large corporations failed when they went to other countries because they had not oriented themselves to that culture. So this point has to be kept in mind. Now, decision-making tools, SWOT analysis, often talked about, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. முடிவும் இடையூறும் முற்றியாங்கு எய்தும் படுபயனும் பார்த்து செயல். Consider the opportunities, the threats, and the final benefits. There is another quote again on the same subject. வினைவலியும் தன்வலியும் மாற்றான்வலியும் துணைவலியும் தூக்கிச் செயல். Weigh the difficulties of the job, your strength, your competitor's strength, supporter's strength, and then decide. So between these two, they cover SWOT analysis completely. Now, merits and demerits analysis, very simple couplet. குணம் நாடி குற்றமும் நாடி அவற்றுள் மிகை நாடி மிக்க குழல். Consider the merits and demerits and take the one that has more merits. problem-solving techniques. We have been taught on fishbone techniques and whatnot. நோய் நாடி, நோய் முதல் நாடி, அது தணிக்கும் வாய் நாடி, வாய்ப்பச் செயல். Study the problem and its sources, enumerate the likely solutions, and choose the solution that suits your organization best. வாய் நாடி, வாய்ப்பச் செயல். Now, decision making should not be delayed, all of us know. சூழ்ச்சி முடிவு துணிவைதல், அத்துணிவு தாழ்ச்சியுள் தங்குதல் தீது. The object of any analysis is to take a decision, and if that decision is delayed, it is too bad. Now, finally, after all these numerical tools, analytical tools, we come to the most important tool, intuition or instinct. மதிநுட்பம் நூலோடு உடையார்க்கு அதிநுட்பம் யாவுள முன்னிற்பவை. மதிநுட்பம் நூலோடு உடையார்க்கு அதிநுட்பம் யாவுள முன்னிற்பவை. If one has the right intuition along with acquired knowledge, there is nothing that he cannot achieve. நுண்ணிய நூல் பல கற்பினும் மற்றும் தன் உண்மை அறிவே மிகும். Despite the knowledge acquired from books, it is better to act in accordance with one's natural instinct. செயற்கை அறிந்து கிடைத்தும் உலகத்து இயற்கை அறிந்து நட. It is better to act according to worldly wisdom than the theoretical knowledge acquired. We are in the days of information technology. எல்லாருக்கும் எல்லாம் நிகழ்பவை எஞ்ஞான்றும் வல்லறிதல் வேந்தன் தொழில். It is the duty of the leader to get to know quickly whatever happens to anyone, anywhere, at any time. So the information technology is the main thing is its swiftness, and you are getting all the information. Now, the time factor in this is very well stressed by him. Val aridal. It's a beautiful coinage. He has used the same word later in Kamathapal, where the husband leaves the wife on a job and tells her, look, I'm going out, but I will be back soon. She tells him, no, I'm not worried about your going, but nin valvaravu வாழ்வார்க்கு உரை, but you are coming back soon. You tell someone who is going to live till then. So this usage of val varavu, same thing he has used here as val aridal, stressing the time factor. Now, communication, another most important trait for a CEO. Preparation. ஆற்றின் அளவறிந்து கற்க அவையஞ்சா மாற்றம் கொடுத்த பொருட்டு. Keeping the capability of the other party and the audience like you in mind, prepare well to fearlessly respond in any debate or to doubts raised in the meeting. I have tried my best, I assure you. Diction. சொல்லுக சொல்லை பிரிதோர் சொல் அச்சொல்லை வெல்லும் சொல் இன்மை அறிந்து. Choose such words which cannot be replaced by any better word. See, in communication, this diction is very, very important. Now, sequencing and delivery, arranging the thoughts in proper order and delivering them effectively. விரைந்து தொழில் கேட்கும் ஞாலம் நிறந்து இனிது சொல்லுதல் வல்லார் பெறின். The world will make haste to listen and follow those who can arrange their thoughts in proper order, நிறந்து, and present them in a pleasant manner. இனிது சொல்லுதல் வல்லார் பெறின். Another one, கேட்டார் பிணிக்கும் தகையவாய் கேளாரும் வேட்பு மொழிவதாம் சொல். A speech is one that attracts the listeners and make the rest yearn for it. But is it okay if he is just speaking all the time? Doesn't he have to listen at some point of time? நுணங்கிய கேள்வியர் அல்லார் வணங்கிய வாயினராதல் அரிது. Those who are not good at listening can rarely have modesty in speech. இனிய உளவாக இன்னாத கூறல் கனியிருப்ப காய் கவர்ந்தற்று. We have heard this couplet often. When there are pleasant words, why choose the annoying ones, like plucking a raw fruit while there are plenty of ripe ones in the tree? Now, in the event of the CEO not being able to communicate properly, இணரூழ்த்தும் நாரா மலரனையர் கற்றது உணர விரித்துரையார். One who has acquired much knowledge but is unable to communicate it to others is like a bunch of flowers in full bloom but without any fragrance. Then we go to the fifth trade, negotiation, the last one under this facet. What are the qualifications for a successful negotiator? அன்பு அறிவு ஆராய்ந்த சொல்வன்மை தூதுரைப்பார்க்கு இன்றியமையாத மூன்று. Compassion, knowledge and capability to communicate effectively are the three important prerequisites. Guts. When you go for negotiation, I think this is a very, very important aspect. உள்ளம் உடைமை உடைமை பொருள் உடைமை நில்லாது நீங்கிவிடும். Even if you're a wealthy man going for a negotiation, the other man is not going to get scared. But if you have guts, you have got everything. If you have just wealth, it is not stable. It will leave you anytime. During negotiation, don't hurt. தீயினால் சுட்டபுண் உள்ளாரும் ஆறாதே நாவினார் சுட்டவடு. A wound caused by fire will heal, but a wound caused by your tongue will not heal. It will leave a permanent scar. Now, what are the tactics one should adopt during negotiation? கடன் அறிந்து காலம் கருதி இடன் அறிந்து எண்ணி உரைப்பான் தலை. Know all about your job or subject of negotiation. Choose the apt time. Select the right place. Plan and present. Knowledge on the subject, timing, right place, planning and presentation. Now, how do we present? தொகச் சொல்லி தூவாத நீக்கி நகச் சொல்லி நன்றி பயப்பதாம் தூது. Arrange your presentation with alternatives. Develop a number of alternatives and arrange them to your own priority. Avoid confrontational areas. தூவாத நீக்கி. Avoid confrontation during negotiation. நகச் சொல்லி, add humor. That will yield good result. I mean, could anyone be more practical than this? Please tell me. Information. ஆற்றின் அளவறிந்து கற்க அவையஞ்சா மாற்றம் கொடுத்த பொருட்டு. During negotiation, you will have to face several questions. Get yourself fully informed so that you can respond without fear during the meet. Most important aspect during negotiation, body language. அடுத்தது காட்டும் பளிங்கி போல் நெஞ்சம் கடுத்தது காட்டும் முகம். A mirror reflects the object in front. Likewise, one's face reflects what is in his mind. Now, we always say when we go for negotiation, we should go for a win-win conclusion. கருமம் சிதையாமல் கண்ணோட வல்லார்க்கு உரிமை உடைத்து இவ்வுலகு. Without affecting the end result, if you can show compassion or consideration or respect the feeling of the other person, the world would belong to you. So after these 5 traits of the CEO, we go to the next facet. These are 6 cardinal cardinal constituents of a business. A CEO should be able to effectively handle them, deal with them. படை, குடி, கூழ், அமைச்சு, நட்பு, அரண் ஆறும் உடையான் அரசருள் ஏறு. A king who has all the 6 constituents, army, subjects, wealth, ministers, friendship, and fort, is a lion among kings. Ruling a kingdom by the king is not any different from that of a CEO running his business. So if we have a look at this couplet once again from the point of view of a CEO, padai, I would equate it to products, kudi, people, cool, finance, அமைச்சு, managerial support, நட்பு, relationship with customers, suppliers and others, and aran, which I say brand equity. Let's now take a deeper look at each of the constituents one after the other. Products. A kingdom sustains itself first, then grows, and when required, fights the enemies with its army. Likewise, a business sustains itself first, then grows, and when requires, fights the competition with its products. And now the duty of the CEO is to ensure that the products of his business are capable of all these: sustenance, growth, and competitive strength. That takes us on to the next question. What are the characteristics of such products? We are aware that customers are now looking for products that are of high quality. துணை நலம் ஆக்கம் தரும், வினை நலம் வேண்டிய எல்லாம் தரும். Good alliances give strength, but products of good quality give all that one desires to have. அருவினை என்ப உழவோ கருவியால் காலம் அறிந்து செயின். No task is impossible if one employs the right means at the right time. The next constituent, people. Team building. தெரிந்த இனத்தோடு தேர்ந்தெண்ணி செய்வார்க்கு அரும் பொருள் யாதொன்றும் இல். Please note the word தெரிந்த இனம். தெரிவு செய்யப்பட்ட இனம். That means a very carefully hand-picked team. There is nothing that one cannot achieve if one carefully selects his team, discusses the details with them, தேர்ந்து எண்ணி செய்வார்க்கு அரும்பொருள் யாதொன்றுமில், with them, and decides on a plan of action. Now, how to select the people? தேரற்கு யாரையும் தேராது, தேர்ந்தபின் தேறுக தேரும் பொருள். Do not select anyone without proper assessment. After the selection, decide on what he can do successfully. There is another one quite often quoted. தேரான்கண் தெளிவும் தெளிந்தான்கண் ஐயுறலும் தீரா இடும்பை தரும். So selecting the wrong person or doubting the person you have selected all the time will give you problems continuously. Now get someone who is very good at body language, who can understand you. குறிப்பிற் குறிப்புணர்வாரை உறுப்பினுள் யாது கொடுத்தும் கொளல். Take the guy who is able to decipher your body language into your fold at any cost. He has gone with his poetic exaggeration. உறுப்பினுள் யாது கொடுத்தும் கொளல். You can give even any of your limbs to get such a man. Delegation. Now there are thick books on delegation, but here is just one couplet with 7 words. இதனை இதனால் இவன் முடிக்கும் என்றாய்ந்து அதனை அவன் கண் விடல். Think about in advance as to who is capable of successfully. Mudikkum endra, it's not just doing. He has used the word mudikkum, successfully completing idhanai, this particular job. That is a job specification. Idhanal, with these aids, even this particular person will successfully complete. And then adhanai avankan vidal. Leave it to him. Don't keep nagging. Now, here again, they always stress, leave it to him. Now, look at this usage. Adhanai avankan vidal, which is exact equivalent of leave it to him. Then they say, okay, having delegated, you must also do the empowerment. வினைக்குரிமை நாடிய பின்னை அவனை அதற்குரியனாகச் செயல். Having decided to delegate the job, empower him with the necessary authority and make him feel as though he's the owner. Fairness. When you are dealing with people, you have got to be pretty fair. Otherwise, you will be blamed of nepotism. சமன் செய்து சீர்தூக்கும் கோல்போல் அமைந்தொருபால் கோடாமை சான்றோர்க்கு அணி. Keeping the balance without tilting to one side is the characteristic of good people. But what about when the guy is not doing the job properly, or when he has done something wrong, and that too intentionally? Do you take action against him? Of course. குடிபுறங் காத்தோம்பி குற்றம் கடிதல் வடுவென்று அது வேந்தன் தொழில். Protect your people, but also punish them when they are in the wrong. It is not a blemish, it is your duty. But how do you go about it? கடிதோச்சி மெல்ல எரிக நெடிதாக்கம் நீங்காமை வேண்டுபவர். If you need the relationship to last longer, aim hard, but throw it lightly. Punishment, okay. What about awards or rewards when someone has done something very well? But how do we go about selecting the people for awards? It has got to be merit-based and not in the alphabetical order. பொது நோக்கான் வேந்தன் வரிசையா நோக்கின் அது நோக்கி வாழ்வார் பலர். When it comes to rewarding good deeds, do it based on merit. The third constituent, most important constituent for a business, vitamin PA, finance. Now, it was Robert Heller who said, if you are not there for making profit, what the hell are you doing there? You have no business. Profit is not an ugly word. So here, Valluvar says, make money. Say, normally in a colloquial manner we say, make money. So he says the same thing. Seiga porulai, make money. Serunar serukkarukkum ekhadanil கூறியது இல். Make money, for there is no sharper sword than that to cut your competition. Now, entrepreneurship. இயற்றலும் ஈட்டலும் காத்தலும் காத்த வகுத்தலும் வல்லது அரசு. A CEO is one who is capable of creating or innovating ways to earn, save what is earned, and prepare a budget for spending the savings. No profit without capital. I think we all understand that. முதலிலார்க்கு ஊதியம் இல்லை, மதலையாம் சார்பிலார்க்கு இல்லை நிலை. There is no profit for one without capital, as there is no stability for one without any support. Another point which I always like, ஆக்கம் கருதி முதலிழக்கும் செய்வினை ஊக்கார் அறிவுடையார். Don't play for turnover, play for profit. ஆக்கம் கருதி முதலிழக்கும், if you play for turnover, you might lose your own capital. ஆக்கம் கருதி முதலுழக்கும் செய்வினை ஊக்கார் அறிவுடையார். Now, cost reduction or cost control. ஆகாறு அளவிட்டுதாயினும் கேடில்லை, போகாறு அகலா கடை. It doesn't matter even if the income is limited as long as the outgoings are under check. But then where do we get the income from? வாரி பெருக்கி வளம்படுத்தி உற்றவை ஆராய்வான் செய்க வினை. One who is capable of increasing the sources of income, improving the liquidity of the business, and studying and cutting costs should undertake to do a job. He said, make money. But then can you make money by any means? No, certainly not. அரண் ஈனும் இன்பமும் ஈனும் திறனறிந்து தீதின்றி வந்த பொருள். Wealth earned through fair means will yield virtue and happiness, not otherwise. So he is very clear. Although he gave you the freedom and told you, make money, but he has also put in a qualifying clause, but always through fair means. In the event of someone having made money through unfair means, what happens? சலத்தால் பொருள் செய்தே மார்த்தல் பசுமண் கலத்துள் நீர் பெய்தறியற்று. Earning wealth through unfair means and saving it is like trying to save water by pouring it into a green mud pot, unburnt mud pot. Managerial support. CEO certainly needs an effective managerial support. So what should he do? உற்ற நோய் நீக்கி உறாமை முன்காக்கும் பெற்றியார் பேணிக்கொள்ளல். Seek and retain people who are capable of curing the ailments and preventing them from occurring again. தெரிதலும் தேர்ந்து செயலும் ஒருதலையா சொல்லலும் வல்லது அமைச்சு. A manager must be capable of making the right choice, launching the right action, and maintaining the same stand. Does not change his stand because the boss does not like it. இடிக்கும் துணையாரை ஆழ்வாரே யாரே கெடுக்கும் தகைமையவர். When one has him, people capable of boldly criticizing him and correcting him, he cannot be won over by others. So he has that tolerance and he is open for criticism. Then comes relationship. A CEO's success these days depend mostly, if not solely, on relationships. Relationships with customers, relationship with suppliers, relationships with stockholders, relationships with government, relationships with the community. We shall now look at the most important relationship, namely customer relationship. Now this comes under Natpu in among those 6 constituents. Business today has become totally customer-centric. As Gandhiji said, a customer is like an honored guest in our house. So a CEO has to give him utmost respect and good service. வரவிருந்து வைகளும் ஓம்புவான் வாழ்க்கை பருவந்து பாழ்படுதல் என்று. The life or business of one who takes care of his guests or customers every day will never suffer from wants or get ruined. அகனமர்ந்து செய்யாள் உரையும் முகனமர்ந்து நல்விருந்து ஓம்புவான் இல். The goddess of wealth will happily reside. அகனமர்ந்து செய்யாள், செய்யாள் is Lakshmi. உரையும், the goddess of wealth will happily reside in the house of one who entertains his guests or customers with a smiling face. Finally, the 6th constituent, Aran, as Valluvar said, and I had equated it to brand equity earlier. You might wonder how I am equating Aran to brand equity. Aran means fort. A kingdom is protected by its fort. A business likewise is protected by its brand equity. A king decides on the location and features of the fortress to give him the best protection from his enemies when attacked, and what's more, to go out on his Digvijayam, leaving his kingdom in the safety of the fortress. Now, to complete that simile, now the flag that flies on the ramparts of the fort is the logo of the brand. Now, a CEO has to develop and establish his brand equity to protect him from his competitors and to help him increase his market share. உயர்வு அகலம் திண்மை அருமை இந்நான்கின் அமைவு அரண் என்றுரைக்கும் நூல். The height, breadth, and to help him increase his market share. உயர்வு அகலம் திண்மை அருமை இந்நான்கின் அமைவு அரண் என்றுரைக்கும் நூல். The height, breadth, strength, and impenetrability are the four characteristics of a fortress or a brand in our case. முற்றியும் முற்றாது எரிந்தும் அரைப்படுத்தும் பற்றற்கு அரியது அரண். A good fortress or brand is one which withstands siege, which cannot be stormed into and cannot be treacherously taken away by the enemies or competitors. Phase. Finally, the sixth constituent, Aran, as Valluvar said, and I had equated it to brand equity earlier. You might wonder how I am equating Aran to brand equity. Aran means fort. A kingdom is protected by its fort. A business likewise is protected by its brand equity. A king decides on the location and features of the fortress to give him the best protection from his enemies when attacked, and what's more, to go out on his Digvijayam, leaving his kingdom in the safety of the fortress. Now, to complete that simile, now the flag that flies on the ramparts of the fort is the logo of the brand. Now, a CEO has to develop and establish his brand equity to protect him from his competitors and to help him increase his market share. உயர்வு அகலம் திண்மை அருமை இந்நான்கின் அமைவு அரண் என்றுரைக்கும் நூல். The height, breadth, and to help him increase his market share. உயர்வு அகலம் திண்மை அருமை இந்நான்கின் அமைவு அரண் என்றுரைக்கும் நூல். The height, breadth, strength, and impenetrability are the four characteristics of a fortress or a brand in our case. முற்றியும் முற்றாது எரிந்தும் அரைப்படுத்தும் பற்றற்கு அரியது அரண். A good fortress or brand is one which withstands siege, which cannot be stormed into and cannot be treacherously taken away by the enemies or competitors. We are now about to enter the third facet of a CEO. If a CEO has all the 5 personal traits and has the capability to effectively utilize the 5 personal traits and the 6 cardinal constituents, then he can make a competent CEO. But then Valluvar expects more out of his CEO. He wants him to move from mere competence and reach the level of excellence. Yes, like the others, he has been preaching for a perfect king, a perfect minister, a perfect spouse, a perfect friend, a perfect lover. His aim is to make a perfect CEO. And for that, there are 3 more areas in which too the CEO should excel. In direct contrast to the other areas, these 3 are personal areas, and they are values, health, and family. Obviously, if the CEO does well in these 3 areas too, he is bound to become a perfect CEO. And if he does him down over a period of time. Values. Strive for excellence. அருமை உடைத்தென்று அசாவாமை வேண்டும் பெருமை முயற்சி தரும். Strive for excellence. Do not get disheartened. Persistent efforts will definitely fetch you fame. Avoid unfair means. தீயவை தீய பயத்தலால் தீயவை தீயினும் அஞ்சப்படும். As unfair acts yield only evil results, they are dreaded more than even fire. We all know what happened to Enron. We all know what happened to their auditors. We all know what happened to several other consultants who resorted to unfair means. So, avoid unfair means. ஒன்றா உலகத்து உயர்ந்த புகழல்லால் பொன்றாது நிற்பது ஒன்று இல். There is nothing that can live forever in the world except the gracious fame that one has earned for himself, and not all the wealth that he might have earned during his career. He also, the CEO, has a social responsibility. தாளாற்றி தந்த பொருளெல்லாம் தக்கார்க்கு வேளாண்மை செய்த பொருட்டு. This again goes in line with Gandhiji's concept of trusteeship. All the wealth earned are meant for helping the needy. Today, this social responsibility of the corporate bodies is being recognized by everyone. ஊருணி நீர் நிறைந்தற்றே உலகவாம் பேரறிவாளன் திரு. Wealth in the hands of a wise man is like the drinking water collected in a village tank. Avoid ego, anger, and petty-mindedness. செருக்கும் சினமும் சிறுமையும் இல்லா பெருக்கும் பெருமித நீர்த்து. Wealth of those with ego, anger, and petty-mindedness has no value. குடி செய்வார்க்கு இல்லை பருவம் மடி செய்து மானம் கருத கெடும். One who desires to uplift his community or business should not wait for any season or be prestige or ego conscious. Avoid sex, alcoholism, and gambling. இருமனப் பெண்டிரும் கள்ளும் கவரும் திருநீக்கப்பட்டார் தொடர்பு. Contacts with sex-working women, alcoholism, and gambling will result in the desertion of the goddess of wealth. Now, when you go out on a marketing tour, you meet all the bigwigs of other companies, your customers. You spend an evening with them, have a long drawn-out entertainment with dinner, and at the end of the dinner, that last hour, when you come back to your room, the most difficult hour for many CEOs, most of them have fallen a prey to that temptation. Now, this has been very prevalent of late. We have heard of de-addiction clinics for drugs. We have heard of de-addiction clinics for alcoholism. Now, they have de-addiction clinics for sex, misuse of sex. There are places constructed in deserts, and people are put there for 2 weeks to get them over this habit. Now, Valluvar gives a practical solution. When you are in such a situation, think of your wife who is waiting for you at home. Not just waiting. வாளற்று புக்கென்ற கண்ணும் அவர் சென்ற நாளொற்றி தேய்ந்த விரல். When you went away, you told her you will be back in 10 days. So in olden days, the way we used to keep count of the days is to put a mark on the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So she does that every day very diligently. So he says, her eyes have lost their brightness, her sight has dimmed, and her fingers are worn out with the counting down done daily by marking on the wall. So think of her. Now the final objective, தோன்றிற் புகழடு தோன்றுக அஃதிலாது தோன்றலிற் தோன்றாண்மை நன்று. If one is born, he must adorn himself with gracious glory. Otherwise, it's better not to be born at all. Humility. எல்லாருக்கும் நன்றாம் பணிதல் அவருள்ளும் செல்வர்க்கே செல்வம் தகைத்து. Humility is good for all, but for the wealthy or the powerful amongst them, it is like very wealth. And also, you must be God-fearing too. கற்றதனால் ஆய பயனன்கொல் வாலறிவன் நற்றாள் தொழார் எனின். Of what good is learning if the learner does not adore the holy feet of the Lord of all learning? The third point I said was health. Stress management. இடுக்கண் வருங்கால் நகுக அதனை அடுத்தூர்வது அகுதொப்பது இல். Laugh out the problems. There is no better way to keep them out. Addiction to alcoholism. துஞ்சினார் செத்தாரின் வேறல்லர் எஞ்ஞான்றும் நஞ்சுண்பார் கள்ளுண்பவர். They who sleep are no different from the dead. Likewise, those who are addicted to alcohol are no different from poison drinkers. Food habits. மருந்தென வேண்டாவாம் யாக்கைக்கு அருந்தியது அற்றது போற்றி உணின். You don't need any medicine for your body if you eat after digesting what you have already eaten. அற்றது அறிந்து கடைப்பிடித்து மாறல்ல துய்க்க துவரப்பசித்து. மாறல்ல is non-allergic. Make sure what you have eaten has already been digested, and then when you are hungry, eat what is not allergic to your system. Mental peace. தனக்குவமை இல்லாதான் தாழ் சேர்ந்தார் கல்லால் மனக்கவலை மாற்றல் அரிது. The good Lord is beyond compare, except for those who have endeared themselves to his revered feet. Rarities for the rest to get over the mental worries. Family. A successful, or in our case, a perfect CEO should have a very successful married life. மங்களம் என்ப மனைமாட்சி மற்றதன் நன்கலம் நன்மக்கட் பேறு. The blessing for a good household is the grace of the wife. Good children are its ornaments. Hospitality. அகனமர்ந்து செய்யாளுரையும் முகனமர்ந்து நல்விருந்து ஓம்புவானில். We saw that couplet earlier in a different occasion. Good friends. நவில்தொறும் நூல் நயம் போலும் பயில்தொறும் பண்புடையாளர் தொடர். Friendship with the noble and the cultured grows every time, like the delight that you get out of reading a good book. See, a perfect CEO should also have good friends with whom he can share. Now, the type of friends. நகுதற் பொருட்டென்று நட்டல் மிகுதிக்கண் மேற்சென்று இடித்தற் பொருட்டு. Friendship is not for just meeting and having fun. It is also for coming forward and correcting your friend when he is in the wrong. குடிசெய்வல் எனும் ஒருவர்க்கு தெய்வம் மடிதற்று தான் முந்துரும். The divine blessings. Even a deity will tie the angavastram around its waist and stand in front of one who says, I shall work for the uplift of my community. And so, a competent CEO can certainly become an excellent or a perfect CEO if he has a good personal, ethical value system, if he takes care of his physical and mental health, and if he has a supportive family consisting of just one loving spouse, capable good children, affectionate relatives, and well-meaning friends. Well, that was a quick, sketchy profile of the perfect CEO talked about by the great poet Thiruvallur. And may I thank the organizers and Mr. Murali for having given me an opportunity and to add my name also to that august list of the earlier speakers under the auspices of this series. Thank you all very much.
Hari Om. I think actually when Sri Panipan was talking, one thing that came to our mind is that Puji Gurudev wanted to educate the English knowing people, because they said they are the people who are going to make the opinions, and the opinion makers should know our culture. And you have been really reminding us of that truth. And I am very happy that Thirukkural has been taken to the real opinion makers. And if that is going to sink in their thing and their working methods, that is the best service we can offer. And we thank you very much, sir, for this really path-breaking talk. And we have made 1 or 2 attempts to either project the languages other than English. And Shukishivam has talked about from the same platform about Seyyum Thoile Deivam. And so this is the second attempt where we have trying to project the Tamil literature to the English knowing public. And we thank you very much for this. And we thank all of you for your kind time and patient listening. Hari Om.